You sing, girl, take your time. Pussy baby, you sing, girl, take your time. Give me anytime, girl, take your time.
The day has finally come. I'm gonna go attempt to do a Skunk 2 alpha header install on my 8th gen SI, and I know it's gonna give me hell because it's gonna be rusty bolts, but wish me luck. I'm about to get into this shit. I'll be out here probably all day doing this, but it'll be worth it in the end. The thing you want to start doing is to pop your bonnet, and you want to work on taking off this plastic windshield cowl, and it's gonna be a metal water shield. You have to remove that as well. I think it's a couple 10s and 12s. Once you remove that, you can get access to the header. So I'll get back to you guys when I take that off. Once you take that plastic piece off, just push it up over there so you don't want to disconnect the line for your washer fluid. And then there is 1, 2. Yeah, see that? 1, 2 back there. 2 10s on this side, 2 12s, a 10 back there, and 2 12s and a 10 right here. Oh, wait. 3 10s over here. Oh, 2 10s over here and 2 12s. Alright, so let me get those off and get into this. Man, just wish me luck, guys. I know it's gonna be a bitch. I got the metal shield off, so now see back there, gotta take that 12 off for the heat shield, that 12 and that 12 down there. Wish me luck. That's what I suspected. Only got the top 2 12s off for the heat shield. The bottom one is like rounded. But next, gotta take off these 5 14s. From the looks of it, they don't look too bad. The 3 I can see. This is gonna be tight as fuck. But up here's not my worry. Down below is my worry. But yeah, let me get these cracked. Expected already. Fucking exhaust manifold bolts up top are tight as shit. So I gotta go to the store and get like a breaker bar or something, because those shits are super tight. I've been out here slaving for 2 hours. You wanna know my progress? I got 2 bolts out the exhaust manifold. Shits are like super tight, and this is in like a difficult space. But I'm trying. I got 3 more to take out, and then once up there is done, go down below. Worst case, I just cut the pipe down there and fucking run open header until I go get paid and get the exhaust connected. But yeah, fuck it. Get back to y'all when I get this exhaust manifold off. Alright guys, I got that nut off. I got the bolt off down there in that corner. So I got that nut, that bolt, and then that bolt right there. So 3 more. Wish me luck. Another hour has passed and I made no progress. So we're resorting to heat. I'm gonna heat this up and pray to God that it budges. Cause this is holding me up. It's like stupid. Like once those come off, I'll take the stock header out and put that Skunk 2 in. Literally. So hopefully this heat works.
A few moments later.
Got all 5 exhaust manifold bolts off. Got the manifold off the head. So what I'm doing now, cutting out the bolts off of the cat so I can bolt up the Skunk 2 header. So started at 10 o'clock. It's like 4:40 now. Crazy, man. World record. Longest header install. Hours and 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 hours of fighting. I got this rusty, dusty, stock piece of shit out. Look who it is. Yep.
Thanks to me, man.
Emmett.
All I had to do is put my foot.
That boy came through with the McDonald's too. About to eat up and then put the Skunk 2 header on, feel me? I had to cut the bolts and they came out pretty good. So now it's just putting in the headers and bolting everything down and I'm good to go. The Skunk 2 alpha up. Just gonna bolt down this. I'm trying to find some bolts right now. These bolts are too long, so I'm gonna get some shorter ones. And yeah, like putting like a whole 8 hours working on this thing today. But headers are done. I'm about to put the car back on the floor and get this first start up. Took me literally all day. I started at 10 a.m. and I didn't finish until, I didn't get the headers on first start until like 7:30. So 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took me 9 hours. Let's call it 10 hours. I worked 10-hour shifts, bro. I basically just did a whole shift installing my headers. But guess what? That shit was worth it, because this shit sounds fucking balls right now. People said it wouldn't fucking run right when I put the headers on until I get flash, bro. But guess what? Yeah, motherfuckers was wrong. Shit don't lag, it don't bog, it pops VTEC way harder, it pulls way harder. Man, that shit nice. They said it's gonna run richer. I don't know if I'm running rich or lean until I get a fucking wideband, so yeah, but I'm gonna get Flash Pro next things I'm doing to the car is Flash Pro. Oh, intake, then Flash. Oh no, intake, then Flash Pro. Then after that, done for the like power gains. I'm just gonna be doing straight looks. So 4 HFP lip kit, all that, fresh paint, new rims, the whole 9 yard. But I'm about to be out. I'm about to get some food, go home. So man, just drop that like button. If you're new, subscribe and stay tuned for more content, man. For Replay, we out of here. Peace.
Wavy Boy Productions.